Abraham's story is brought in here. He's not brought in as an example to imitate, as if the Bible was just saying, remember Abraham? Be like Abraham. That's an inadequate message. Abraham's not brought in here simply or merely as an example to imitate, but Abraham's story is brought into the conversation in Hebrews to teach us something about the character of God and the quality of God's Word. And so the theme in the passage that I just read to you is not what a great, faithful, obedient man Abraham was, as true as all those things are. The theme of this passage is God's integrity and the reliability of God's Word. So Abraham is going to be useful for us tonight to learn something about God and what happens when God speaks. One of the attributes of God that's on display in this passage, you've seen the word a couple times, is His immutability. The immutability of God. We could say it this way, His unchangeableness. Verse 17 mentions the immutability of His counsel. And then verse 18 mentions two immutable things in which it is impossible for God to lie. It's not a word that we use too much. Immutable. But we see here God's nature, God's character, His purpose, His promise, and His oath are all unchangeable realities. And I want to emphasize not unchanging realities. That's true, but it's better than that. They're unchangeable. They cannot change. And I want to demonstrate that to you in a moment here.